Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, Bootleg 24/7. Today I will guide you to increase your membership group Facebook. Automatically, you can buy unlimited members to increase team membership for us. I currently have a new group created. And for newly created groups, people have to push interactive posts into and increase group membership for Facebook to recommend to the top. Since then our group has grown. Now I will guide you to buy group member. Here, you can see that you have 29 team members. I will copy, link this group to. Go to Bootleg 24/7. This website will help us to buy services. It's on social media platforms. I will choose the language above. People want to choose English. English will choose here. That. When we have an account, we can put money in to buy it. I will buy the Facebook service here. Facebook Boost. And increase team membership here. Now I just need to fill in the group link here. That and the software. The website will automatically show up. Group ID. Here I will select a server to increase the MEM. Everyone please choose MEM server according to needs. For foreign servers, you can choose server 6. Or you can choose Vietnamese MEM. It's just a Vietnamese name, we'll increase it. Members are almost always virtual members. And here we're going to buy a new group that we can buy 5,000, 10,000 or 100,000 MEM before. Later on, I will buy 5,000 MEM. This will show the amount. People buy it here. Is that my team will be able to automatically increase yeast. And people can also check history. Buy MEM here to see how much progress has been run. And the site will increase MEM over time, not for a while to avoid being violated. And anyone who needs help, please contact your Tele. And this is the result after I increased my MEM. There are a lot of members here. That and these members. It's spread through time. Not at the same time. This will prevent Facebook from detecting spam. By everyone. And if you need any help, contact your TD.